only got less than an hour to get to the junkyard. Load up the car, get to the junkyard, and get the car unloaded before they close, weighed and all that good jazz. So I literally just threw whatever I could find in here. Everything else should be ready to rock and roll, but I gotta take the wheels off. I ain't letting them get those wheels. And I don't know, I'm like 5-10 minutes away from the shop right now. So we're gonna make this happen though. I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna get all of it recorded so you guys can see it and go from there. So just stay tuned. Super windy day. Really windy. We out west somewhere and still rolling. There we are. Let's put this thing like right here. That's what we'll do. And knowing I'm on a really tight schedule, load up. That's what I was afraid of. It's super windy out here. Man, I don't want to break it. Oh no. I just dropped the camera, so I'm trying to get this all. I say I'm on a tight schedule. Jesus Christ. Well, that's the end of that camera. My $500 camera is now cracked. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll get another camera and come back to it. Day in the life. I knew it was a little bit windy out here and I probably shouldn't have let it do it. But it's okay. New camera, new equipment, upgrade coming. Truck included. Like, share, subscribe. From the busted glass and the busted car. Oh man, it's bad. Yeah, it's bad. So y'all probably can't barely see me, but until next time, be todo mundo beneficios siempre. Peace.